Hi, welcome. My name is Edwin Diaz, and I'm a software developer and web developer. Now, in this video, I want to give you a little bit of information about me if you don't know me, and I'm also want to give you a little tour around the application that we're going to be building. It's going to be a really cool application. You don't want to miss this video, all right? So anyway, if you want more specific information about each of the topics, you can look at the description. All right. So a little bit of information about me. I love PHP. I love Laravel. I love programming in general. All right. I'm a programmer. I don't have a social life because my social life is computers. So there you have it. That's all you need to know about me. But anyway, let me actually show you around. Right. We're going to build a really awesome application. All right. So I'm going to log in. This is the login section here, and we're gonna have, before we go in, we're gonna have a remember me functionality. We're gonna have a forgot password functionality. We're gonna be able to register users as well, or let users register themselves, right? So I'm gonna log in. All right, and here, as a matter of fact, this user right now is a subscriber, so that's why he can't see the admin page. Actually, he can see the profile page, and we can allow him to see that. So as you can see there, if you don't have the right type of credentials, you won't be able to see admin. All right, I'm gonna go to my database right now. I'm gonna change his role. All right, and I'm gonna change him to, so he can be, this person, Edwin, can be a administrator. All right, so now he's an administrator. I'll show you right now. If we type in admin here, we can go to the admin area. All right, so we have already validation out there set in place. So we have, authentication. We have personalized this admin area with the user's name. We can go and see users. All right, we have a users page. We can see the post of that specific user. We can see the role, the name, of course. If we go in, we can edit each of the roles. All right, we can make this user an author. I don't want to do that because he won't be able to go to admin and I won't be able to show you around, right? So I'm gonna leave him as an administrator. I can upload a picture for the user, and this is all using Laravel, guys. All right, this is a very different than procedural PHP, very different than anything else you have ever done out there. If you've never done Laravel, very different. Now, once you learn, it's gonna be very simple to do, but you have to learn it first, right? So edit. And as you can see, we have a picture here and the user has been updated. This is an example why the type of stuff that you're going to be learning how to do, right? Basically, you're going to learn the CRUD and a lot more stuff to that, right? So we can create users, all right? We have posts. Now, I want to show you one of the best features of this application right now, okay? Besides that, you can do the CRUD and a lot more other features besides that. Look at this. We got something called pretty URL. So I know some of you have asked me in my other courses how to create this on top. How to have the title of your application right on the URL. There you have it. With Laravel, it's super easy to do, and you're going to learn how to do this. As you can see, this is the post, and we have the description here. Of course, I have a very nonsense description. That's okay. That's a placeholder. We have the title. We can leave a comment. We have another cool feature is that we're pulling the email or the information, actually the picture from the Gravatar. So if the user has a Gravatar picture, it's going out there to the gravatar.com website and it's pulling out the picture. If you ever posted anything online in a forum or anything like that, and all of a sudden your picture is there, it's getting it from your email, and Laravel has that functionality. All right, so you can of course make a comment, submit the comment. You have a comment down here. You can make a reply to that comment, and one of the other cool features is that we have a tree type of comment system. So as you can see, I keep making comments and it keeps going down here. So if I make a comment to this one here, I reply to this comment, you can see that it goes to the next, to the right side. So it has a tree functionality. All right, pretty cool stuff. Let's go to admin again. We have categories. All right, so we can delete, update categories, create them. We can go to the media page where we have pictures and we have pagination. So if you ever wanted to learn pagination in Laravel, there you have it. All right, really easy to create with Laravel. All right, so we can multiple delete in Laravel as well. We can even put stuff in the trash and restore them. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the course. It's going to be really awesome. All right. This application is going to have so many features that you won't need to take another course on Laravel unless you want to specialize on something. All right, so this is going to be a pretty cool course for you to take. If you are starting on Laravel, this is the only course you're going to take for a while. And after this, you're gonna be creating your own applications and doing your own projects. It's gonna be pretty cool. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope this gives you enough information and makes it makes up your mind when taking this course. And I hope to see you inside. Take care.